Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, we are analyzing Litecoin, LTCUSD, and looking at both recent news and the charts to find trading opportunities. Recent news suggests growing optimism around a Litecoin ETF. However, the SEC has postponed the decision to June 17, 2025. Cointelegraph reported that investors are betting on Litecoin and Solana ETFs for 2025. While Litecoin is currently down 1.54% today, other sources mention a potential breakout towards $94 or even $160. The technical analysis will help us to understand if the charts and candles support these predictions. Let's begin by examining the daily chart to establish the broader trend. Looking at the past several months, we can see considerable volatility, with spikes followed by pullbacks. Notice the large candle on March 11, 2024, where the price jumped significantly, then corrected downwards. The price then tested the $100 mark again, before dropping significantly in April 2024. This high volatility shows increased market attention towards LTCUSD, which could be correlated with Litecoin ETF news. Focusing now on the more recent price action, we see a choppy pattern. Since April 2025, LTCUSD has fluctuated significantly. Currently, Litecoin appears to be trading around the low 80s. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a better idea of any short-term trends. The 1-hour chart shows that after the recent dips, LTCUSD recovered slightly. However, there appears to be resistance around $83 and support around $78. A break above the resistance could lead to a test of the $90 range, while a fall below support could see price testing the $70 range. The 15-minute chart could give us better insight into the short term. Let's have a look. Zooming into the 15-minute chart, we can observe price moving between $100 and $104 before a large and sudden drop on May 12. Since then, LTC has failed to regain that level. The last candle shows a bit of upward momentum at 100.99426, but it is unclear whether this will last. In summary, the news shows some bullish sentiment regarding a future ETF and potential gains, but the charts indicate a more complex picture. Keep an eye on the 104 level as a key resistance and 78 as a key support, with possibilities for both upside and downside movements in the short to medium term. Monitor news regarding the SEC's decision on the Litecoin ETF in June 2025, as that event could act as a catalyst for change. A breakout above $83 could lead to higher levels, while breaking below $78 could lead to lower levels. Remember to always do your own research and manage your risk when trading.